This is my 2001 XR70 that my dad gave me. It's a Honda. It's really nice. The engine and the kickstart looks really good, and there's no clutch. It's actually just a kickstart. So you got the brake right here, got the throttle, then you got the power on button, then you got like the seat. It's very comfortable compared to the four-wheelers that I have. Here's my dad's motorcycle. You got the front wheel, back wheel. Right here you got the kickstart. Flips out like that, and you just kick it down, and then it starts running. Once you turn the key, which is right there. Kind of a weird place to put a key, but like you would kind of expect it to be right here, but it's right here, and it doesn't really bother me because I can easily reach it. Right here we have that. Right here we have the rear brake, which I'm probably gonna use a lot more often. Actually, it's right here, but yeah, probably gonna use a lot more often than this one, because it's has a lot more stress put into it. Then whenever I'm sitting on it, I can just put my foot right there and turn it on. So it looks really nice.